To video 2, how to get your file into Cura and slice it up. First of all, load Cura. You will find it under the start menu, either an icon like this, or if you go all the way down to U for Ultimaker, they're the people that make it. There we go, Ultimaker Cura. Okay, sometimes you can just get away with typing it here. Anyway, when you've loaded Cura, for the first time you'll be greeted with this screen. So just click Get Started, Agree, Next, and Skip. Don't make an account. Okay, add a non-network printer, and you want to go down the list to Creality 3D. There we go. And choose, scroll down a bit more, you want to choose the Creality Ender 3 Pro. Select the little blob, click Next. Sometimes it takes a little while. Don't need to do anything here, click Next. And you can skip from this point on. And then finish. Okay, right, this is your area for viewing. So what we're going to do is we're going to open your file. So you just simply click the little folder icon up here and go and browse to your file wherever you've saved that. Now I have got mine here and I'm going to open it. So remember, this is the stereolithography or STL file you just saved in SolidWorks. Okay, we are going to rotate this so that it's the right way up. So if you left click on your cube, you'll see you've got the rotate tool here on the left, and if you click or drag the red axis, you'll see you can spin it around. So orientate your cube so it's facing with your initials pointing up in the air. Okay, we're going to go and tweak a few settings, and then we're going to slice it and get it ready to print. So go up here to the top right, click this little drop down arrow, click on custom, and then as I do here, change the following settings. So quality, we're going to set to 0.15. We're going to go to infill, make sure that's at 20%, that's fine. You can click these little arrows to get rid of it. I'm going to go to material, set the temperature to 205. And we're going to go down to cooling and just check that this is ticked, which it should be. And support, we're not going to turn any support on for this print, but you might do in future prints. And that's pretty much it. Once you've done those things, click the slice button. It'll take a couple of minutes, and it's estimating 1 hour and 4 minutes. There's one other setting I should have told you to do, sorry. If you go to speed and change the speed from 50 to 75, we'll go back to slice again. That should have sped it up. Right, we're down to 56 minutes per cube. Okay, all good. Right. So we've sliced it. You can do a quick preview of your model. So if you click the preview tab here, this is really useful. If you drag this little bar over here on the right down, you can see your print and how it's going to make each layer. It just sort of shows you one layer at a time. Happy with that. All we need to do now is save it to your memory card. Now, if you go into, I'm just going to turn on my webcam. If you take out the SD card from the front of the printer, your teacher will show you where it is. In the little drawer inside the printer, there is a card reader. Take your memory card, put your card reader in the memory card reader, and it goes that way up. So the logo on this with the text on the card facing the same way. Plug that into your USB port on your computer, which I'm just going to do now. And it should, if it pops up with an automatic thing like that, just close it. This down here should change to save to removable drive. Before you click it, just give it your name. So go over to the left of the screen and call it, I'm going to call mine Rob Winter Cube. Call yours, whatever your name is, Cube. And then save. Once it's saved, click eject. Take your memory card out. And now we're going to go watch video 3, which is going to show you how to load this onto the printer.